If you ever wonder how to grow a small account, pay close attention to this video, man, because it's about to go down. Let's get it.
The Wealthy Empire Network.
What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, live and direct with another valuable video for you. What's good, family? Your boy been gone, but guess what? I'm back with another dope video. But before we even get into that, make sure you thumbs this video up, get it to 1,000+ likes. It's about to go down, right? Real quick though, there's somebody posing to be me on Telegram. I'm no longer on Telegram, so if you're getting wrote on Telegram by somebody saying that they're me and getting you to buy all kind of stuff, that's not me, because I'm not even on there no more. And I'm no longer selling my course at the moment right now. So if somebody's trying to sell you a course and they're pretending to be me on Instagram, not me. I only got one Instagram, okay? I only got one Instagram, and that's the one in the description below this video, all right? So don't fall for the scams, you feel me? All right, but real quick, y'all, I'm doing a series going from, I guess, 200 to like 2,000, 2,500, whatever, something like that. Just showing you how you can grow a small account. Y'all gonna be with live, all of it's live, man. Like, you know, me placing the trades in your face, showing you the setups, walking you through so you'll know exactly what I see on a daily basis and how I trade. So I think y'all gonna like this. Y'all let me know. Make sure y'all comment your cash outs, Bitcoins, PayPals, and all that below, because as I get paid, I make sure I pay y'all. But without further ado, y'all, let's hop into the video. Yo, so as y'all can see, I am finessing these markets. I'm running up a check. This is how you grow a small account, y'all. Peep this though. All right, so I deposited 200 in here. I already made 82 off of the 200. Easy. All right, using the same strategy I've been using. Like, I use all my strategies, but it just depends on which setup I see first. So this one was the moving average strategy though that I showed y'all before. And right now we're getting close to 400 off 200 already within a day's time. All right, y'all. So I mean, you can grow a small account fairly simple. You know what I'm saying? With the same strategies. Really, all the strategies I taught y'all, really, honestly, you don't really need to know nothing else about Forex, to be honest. Like, with all the stuff, all the videos I done made over all the strategies, if you just keep practicing them and keep doing them, you'll be good. I'm telling you, this is all I do. I don't be telling y'all nothing I don't use. So, but what made me, it's starting to hit a resistance. So I could probably get out here in a second, cause I like it's trying to hit resistance. But with all the strategies that I use, y'all, so like for instance, the market came down, right, and it bounced off of this 50 moving average. If I zoom out, you'll see the 200 still down there. All right, so the market bounced off the 50 and it started going up. So that's why I got in right here. All right, as it started shooting up, I said, oh yeah, it's going in that direction. Already bounced off. You see how many times it didn't touch on the 50 moving average? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was just clear consolidation and clear, you know, it was letting me know, all right, we ain't going nowhere else. We're not going down, so we going up. So as soon as it bounced off again, started shooting up, I'm in there. So that's why I got in right here, and I just held it. You know what I'm saying? And remember, I told y'all it goes away from the 50, and then it'll come back. You know, eventually it's gonna come back to it. You know, and it ain't touched that 200 since that 200 been on that uptrend for a long time. You know what I'm saying? So the 50 usually sticks a lot closer. So that's what I was telling y'all. But I already trailed this this trade. Already trailed it right here. I could possibly trail it some more, but since it's hitting this resistance zone right here, and how do you know it's hitting resistance? See, it is starting to hit resistance, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and take my money. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take that. So that's gonna leave me with 3. Now I'm at 370. All right. So how you know it's hitting resistance though? You see this 1 touch, 2 touch, and then the 3rd touch, and it started rejecting, coming down. This is resistance. So right now, it's gonna bounce around this line and try to break through. If not, it's gonna shoot all the way back down here, and then potentially, you know, could come down here and finally break through. But we'll see. It may decide it want to try to go up and break through. I don't know. So I took my bread. So that's what Yeah, 370. So pretty much I done made a pretty good profit since, you know, I done made a good $100 and something off of the two, right? And then normally, like I was telling y'all, just gotta get in and get out. That's it. Get in and get out. All right. So right now, I'm gonna look to see. So it's starting to push now. It's starting to push again. But I'm gonna go ahead and see on some other pairs. But right quick, I'm gonna look at this one more time, because I might be able to get in on a quick scout again on this one. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see what he's doing first. Gonna see what he's doing. But yeah, I'm gonna also look at another pair or two to see if I can get in on something nice. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just waiting to see what this candle is trying to do. I should have got in when it rejected again, but we'll see. Hold on. Yeah, so I went and got in real quick on a sale because I know the market is getting ready to come down this way. So it may shoot up some more a little bit, but it's about to go ahead and drop, because it did reject. If it reject at least 3 times, that's automatic. The market is coming down. All right. So it still may fluctuate in here a little bit, but the market is ready to come down. So I got in on a sale at 0.40 for, you know, a pretty quick scalp, and we'll let this market come down, and then I may look for another pair right quick, and then we should be good on that. So like I said, yeah, it got to shoot up again, but it's definitely gonna come down. So I'm positive. Watch this. This is how positive I am when it comes to trading Forex, I promise you. I'm gonna get in even a little higher on a smaller lot. And we're gonna watch this. We're gonna watch this do exactly what I said it's gonna do. Watch. I'm telling you, you get that 3 bounces to the top, 1, 2, 3, and that's how you'll know. Like always, you'll always know where to put your support and resistance lines. And sometimes this can act to support your moving averages. You know what I'm saying? And so I don't even panic. Like I told you, I don't panic when I get in here, man. I let the market do its thing. It's proven that, you know, every time it does that, it makes its move. You see what I'm saying? It bounced 1, 2 right here, drop. Sometimes it'll do it twice. Sometimes it'll do it. It's mostly if you do it twice, it should be good. You know what I'm saying? But if you get 3, that's like guaranteed. You know what I'm saying? Every single time. Every time, y'all. So I'ma hold this one right quick, and I'll come back when we in profit, and then I'll show y'all another pair in just a minute. Yo, so we back, and right now I'm in profit. I had to get in on a couple more positions. As you see, the market shot out of my zone. I held it, knew it was coming back down, so I just held it until it got done doing what it's do. You know, the false breakout. But yeah, now I'm getting close to that 400. Well, I just hit the 400 mark. So once I hit it again, okay, I'm gonna start taking these profits. And now I'm at 410. If I can get past this last one, I'm good. Which it may take a while, but right now I'm at 410. So trying to see if he's gonna make that final push. I'm gonna take whatever they give me, because I was just trying to get to the 400 mark. So if we can get that final push from it before it retrace, then we should be good, bro. So let's see, bro. Taking all day. You taking all day, man. So I guess we gotta wait, y'all. Did the market freeze on me, bro? Oh, there you go. All right. So it's still moving. It's trying to take me on my 400 zone. It's trying to take me out, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and hold it. And yeah, so if the market decides to keep pushing down and, you know, get me to that mark, I'll hop out of this one, and then depending on what I see, I'll go look at some other pairs and see if I see anything. If I do, I'll hop in. If not, I'll just leave it there, and then I'll just continue to grow it from there. So that's kind of how I trade, y'all. Like I said, I don't overcomplicate it. I get in, you know, if I see a potential hold. Some of y'all probably would have got out right here. I usually wait. If the market would have shot here, the second candle would close and kept going, I would have got out. But normally, a lot of the time when you got this much rejection, it usually does a false breakout, comes back down to, you know, exactly where you needed it to go. It looks like it's gonna give me what I want, but it's playing around. Here we go. Here we go. Make that final push, bro. There we go. Boom. Boom. There we go. Now we at 415. Y'all see that? Live, baby. All the way live. I could have stayed in, but like I said, you got to take your bread. So I went from 200. Y'all didn't see the 82 I made because I was actually doing it before I decided. And I was like, you know what? I should just document this. So I went ahead and did it. Because at first I was just going to show y'all the results after I did it. But I said, let me go ahead and walk y'all through it while I'm doing it. So I went from 200 to 282, and then from 282 to like something, and then from that 300 something to $415. So just like that, in and out, growing a small account. So now I could take this 400 upwards to, you know, whatever. So I'm pretty much done with this one. Let me drag another pair on and see. I'm gonna drag GU on to see if I see anything remotely close. This is a potential because it's starting to break above. If this second candle breaks, if this closes above the 50 and the second candle forms above here, I'll probably get in on this one on a buy. But right now it's a downtrend, so I don't know about that. You know what I'm saying? The trend is down, so look, boom, trend is super down. So, but potentially it could be heading up towards this to come back down. So, you know, we'll see. And the RSI is hovering at about 51, so it could be heading up towards that zone. So we shall see. Let me get this right. Boom. All right. So now I know my potential is right on that 200. Potentially. Now it may do a little bit of this, you know, on the way up. If the candlestick is almost done on this, let me actually go in here and look at the 30. The 30 on the 30 minute still below the 50. The H1 still below the 50 on the downtrend, so that's obvious. This one is still below. So the only one that's not below, what it's trying to rise above. Okay, it just closed. Let's see what it do. Let's see what it do, y'all. I think I might go in for another 40. Usually the best time to get in is when it's down like this. I'm gonna go ahead and get in, y'all, right here. If it let me, what's going on? I'm trying to let your boy get in. It messed around, put me in two positions, y'all, and I wasn't even trying to do that. If it hurry up, bro. Traders will be tripping sometimes, bro. Hold up. They gonna let me get in? They trying to play your boy on the positions. Hold up, bro. Let your boy get in on the buy. He ain't trying to fool with me, y'all. I don't know what's going on with this. All right, let me go down. Let me go down the notch and see if they let me do that on the 20. There we go. Okay, I guess they wouldn't let me do the 40, so. I don't know, it's weird because they let me do it last time, but I'm gonna rock with the, it closed above, you know, the 50. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can catch a little bit more up this way. And yeah, we'll let that do what it do. Boom, it's just about to bounce off of it. So the closer it gets, y'all, I'm in on more positions. You dig? So that's what we on. Just closed above. That's a strong bearish candle too. Strong bearish candle. So trying to see if it push a little bit more, and I'll get in on one more position and I'll just hold it, and then we'll see what we can do with that. So that's what I'm waiting on, y'all. Patience, man. Patience is a virtue, you dig? Now I'm not expecting it to just go crazy on there, but we'll see. We will see, y'all. But yeah, I'm on, so yeah, the 15 minute is what I'm on right now. And that's pretty much all I do, y'all. Like, I don't even have to look at the chart longer. I look at the trend, throw a moving average or so on this one, just for this particular strategy. and you know, we pretty much out of there. It bounced straight off of that, so I'm sure, I'm sure that it's getting ready to go up, but I'm just trying to see if it's gonna push down right off the 50, and then we'll hop in. It's trying, man. It wanna do something. It probably ain't gonna hit the 50 exactly. See, look, it probably don't want to hit the 50 exactly, so that the market look like it's trying to come up. But yeah, man, look, if y'all trying to quit y'all jobs, bro, I promise you, this Forex stuff is where it's at. If you want to quit and I'm telling you, you ain't got to be the person to be getting rich, trying to get rich with it. All you got to do is be the person that just know how to pay your bills with it, and you good. That's where, see, I got to that point where I knew how to take care of my bills, and then I knew how to make extra money after that to have extra money in my pocket, and it was a wrap. And then plus, when you learn how to use the bank's money, you know what I'm saying, to make more money, then it's really a wrap. You dig? So it look like it's gonna give me that push I deserve. Give me the push I deserve. I'm gonna go ahead and get in on one more right here, y'all, and I'm gonna let it ride, see what it do. But yeah, as far as you know, quitting your job, y'all, like, man, listen. You got to get to the point, like I said, you just got to get to the point where you could take care of your bills. Once you get to that point, you good. I promise you, you good. Oh, it's bouncing right off of there. Boom, right there. I'm done now. I just had to catch that bounce right off of the moving average. Y'all see it? That may shoot below and all that a little bit, but I'm expecting for it to come back this way, since it gave me such a strong move right here. Now I'm not expecting it to go like super insane because it's still a downtrend, but I am expecting a bounce off of that. And but that's crazy because I just caught the other bounce on the other ones. So like I said, you can always use this as support, especially, you know, it always breaks out, comes back and retests it just like any other, you know, thing does. So I'll be back though once it does what it does, and we'll holler at y'all. Yo, as you can see right now, I'm up. Like I said, it tried to go below, retrace, went back up, did this retest or whatever, boom. Now we up $11. And I don't know how long I'm gonna hold this. It probably won't be long. Probably try to get in and get out. But we'll see what the market does. But right now, I'm up. It's gonna hover around, play around a little bit. And you know, we're gonna get to this paper. You dig? So I'm gonna be back when I'm about to get out, and I'm gonna holler at y'all. All right, y'all. So I'm back. The market is starting to shoot up a little bit. It broke out of its little zone, so I'm expecting at least I might get out at like 15. I don't know. We'll see. I'm expecting it to just give me a cool little push. I ain't expecting too much out of it unless they just want to give me that. But if it give me up there to where I need it to be, which it did earlier, but I'm trying to see if we're gonna go back, or if I'm gonna just take this quick scalp because it's looking like it want to be slow right now. See, now the market playing, bro. Now the market playing, y'all. So the market, like, I don't know what he's trying to do. There we go. Give me some movement. Give your boy some movement. You feel me? Man, look, y'all. Come on, bro. Give me the push I deserve. I be yelling at the markets, man, because it be taking all day, bro. I be trying to get my money. Playing with me. You're playing with me. Watch, as soon as I get out, I'm just going to shoot up out of nowhere. As soon as you get out, the market will be shooting. I might just take this quick. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Give me something, bro. Man, come on, bro. There we go. That's all I wanted, man. About $15. That's it. Boom. $4.31. All right, that's $15 extra right there. Now, like I said, I could hold it even longer, but right now, I think y'all pretty much get the point. I'll probably come back with another video with the same account and just growing it from there live. But I didn't want the video to be too long and crazy, but pretty much y'all get the point, right? So it's a bunch of different methods. What I was gonna tell y'all too is, like, all the methods that I showed y'all, you can use them all, but you just got to use them all at certain times. So this is what I mean. So for instance, if I don't see nothing going on with the RSI, then I'm looking at the moving averages. If I don't see nothing going on with the moving averages, then I might be looking for an M or a W in the market. If I don't see that, then I might be doing a one candlestick. If I don't want to do that, I might do something else. So it's like all of them work. You just got to figure out what scenario, right? And so like, let's say I'm not doing the one candlestick. I don't want to do that. Let's say I want to do support and resistance, or I want to do trend line based off the trend line. So like, you got all of these different strategies in the arsenal that you can use, but you just got to know the appropriate times to use them. So basically what I'm saying is, if one strategy is not working for you at that moment, if you don't see that setup for that strategy, then all you do is move to another one, and then move to another one. Eventually you're gonna find something, right? So, you know, if I don't trade the moving averages, I may look at the alligator. You know what I'm saying? If I don't look at the alligator, so I use all of them, but it's just for different scenarios, and whichever one I see first. And I'm salty because look at this. Look at this. Now I want to shoot up. Could have been up about 40 bucks, but it's all good, y'all. Look at this. I told y'all, what I tell you, as soon as I got out, it was gonna shoot up. But it's all good, man. We already know what we do. So I ain't tripping. Money is money, and I'm done for the day. And I'm probably build on this some more. And yeah, I'll show y'all in another video. But other than that, we out. Peace.